Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. You know what happened, guys? I've been getting a lot of requests for different kind of stuff at the moment, but I must share this recipe with you one more time again, just to tell you that cucumber, lemon, and also some fresh mint is really good for our immune system, you know what I mean, and can help us to lose weight and detox your body. Basically, what can you do at home? The most important thing is to drink this in the morning before breakfast, before you do anything. Or if you have one of these jug where you can bring to work and keep drinking straight through the day, even better. You want to lose weight? You have to do something. You have to, you know what I mean, put in the energy, put in the effort, and do something with yourself. Just like how you have to get up and go to work. If you want to lose weight, this is how you're going to start, right in Chef Ricardo kitchen. You can do your own research. You can do some research on cucumber, mint, and also apple cider vinegar, lemon, and all these things. You can do a little bit of research for yourself, guys. Google it to see what's the benefit, what's good for your health, and also what's good for your benefit. Anyway, let's start it off like this kind of way. We're gonna simply get a few slices of cucumber. I'm always doing this kind of video, guys, because I have to make my fans them keep up to date. So few slices of cucumber inside of the water. I have 500 ml, that is a bottle of water, and I'm putting a few slices of cucumber straight inside of it like this. And all I'm going to do is simple pop up a piece, a little bit of fresh mint right here, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it just like that. Next thing we're going to do, apple cider vinegar, always settle at the bottom. Give it a shake. If it doesn't have apple cider vinegar, it's pretty good. Use what you have. You can use your fresh mint on your cucumber and your lemon. Alright, guys, so basically get a teaspoon, and I'm all going to do is pop 1, 2 tablespoons is enough inside of it. If you want to add another teaspoon, it's up to you. You can also add another teaspoon. Simple. Just 2 slices of lemon inside of the water, and that's good to go. Cover it back like this. All you want to do, guys, is to make sure before you drink this, put it on for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Make it overnight, put it in the fridge, drink it the first thing in the morning. Detoxing your body is very good in the summer, and also in the winter, and also in the cold time, and also in the good time, and also in the bad time. If you want to put a teaspoon of honey, you can also pop a little teaspoon, but I would recommend it, you don't need to. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. This is another part 2 of the detoxing water, guys. Drink this before bedtime, or during the day, or overnight, or in the morning on an empty stomach. One love again from Chef Ricardo the team, and I love you guys, and I will see you next time with healthy recipe, detoxing recipe.